Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, maybe so. Here we go. Can you sing? What's it about?
A train.
It's about a train. Okay, let's get our trains going. I'll sing the poem. Remember in the last class we learned about, what was that magic word we learned?
Crescendo.
Crescendo. What was the other word?
B.
The B. Okay, so you're going to have your engines going to the B. Engine number 9, going down Chicago line.
If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, no, maybe so.
You have your drums. I know some of you have your drums. Good luck. Here we go. So everyone else has got their drums going. Everyone got your, here we go. Ready?
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, no, maybe so. Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
We need to have some trains. We have our train, our first person on the train. Up you go. Let's see your trains. How are you going to make a train? Who's going to be the leader?
I'll be the leader.
Who's going to be the leader? The person that's got the drum. How many trains do we have?
Three.
We have a bunch of trains. Okay, let's see if you can keep the steady beat while you play. 1, 2, here you go.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, no, maybe so.
I like that. Let's do it twice. Let's do it. We have so much fun. Wait a minute. What happens now? You have to find a way of following. I'm watching your steady beat. I hear some good beats. And someone passed the drum to the next person. That was very nice of you. Are we saying the words or are we doing something else with our voices? We're singing. I want to hear your good singing voices. And the guys, let's see if you can go, engine number 9. Because that's what the kids are going to do anyway. So here you go. Ready, and here you sing.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, no, maybe so. Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
I have a question. I have a question. You guys are so into it. What if the train was going up? No? What would happen to the train? Who knows? Who knows? What would happen if the train's going up the mountain? Yes.
It would slow down.
It would slow down. How slow should it go?
Very slow.
Okay, can you show us with your hands how slow it would go? Okay, we're going to go that slow. Everyone try. We're going to try Bailey's. So we have to do hold that slowly. Here we go. Engine number. Wait a minute. The trains are moving. There you go. Ready, go.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
What happens if the train's going down the mountain? How fast? Here we go. Show us how fast. Okay, we're going to go that fast. And I see some of the drummers just kind of swirling around, but you can actually show us how fast it goes. All right, here we go. Watch how fast he goes. 1, 2, here we go.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, no, maybe so.
Very nice. Kind of see where you are. What was different in the music for that poem? It was different than our dinosaur poem. It was different. What did we change in the music? What did we change in the music? Yes.
A meter.
The meter. I don't know what a meter is. I don't know what a meter is. I haven't learned that word yet. Actually, the meter never changed. Actually, the meter never changed. So, but what did change? What did change? Ian?
The speed.
The speed. We went fast and slow. Good. Which one went fast? When it was going down the hill, because that's what trains do. When did it get slower? When it was going up the hill. Good. Musicians call that. We have fast and slow. And musicians have special words for that. Fast is, give me a word. I would have done Allegro, but that's okay. And what's the word for slow? Okay, that's 5 minutes. Okay. Talk to a person. You're going to do something? Do you have time to do something?
Yeah.
Okay. What did I do in the lesson? How did the lesson work? That's why we're videotaping, so you kind of look through these 5-minute things. And if it's 5.5 minutes, we're not sweating the small stuff. What happened in the lesson? I need to hear other people than 5 people that have volunteered. Any new hands? Yes.
Well, you started with just one song, and then you varied it. You know, that it was, so we learned one, you know, main song, and then just varied it, and that's how we learned fast, slow, all that.
Okay. Did I start by today, boys and girls? Here, when we learn about fast and slow?
Nope.
No. So the theory comes from making music. Otherwise, it's just theory. Theory makes no sense unless you're actually doing something with sound. That may not be what happens in your theory classes all the time, but it makes more sense when you're actually playing the 4-part harmony than just putting dots on the page. What else do we do? What was my objective? What was my objective for this one? Given the poem, students will show, we did rhythm for both. I need to be much more specific. We're going to learn about steady beat. And the students have to define steady beat at the end of their first grade. So it's more than just, we kind of did steady beat. We're actually learning stuff that you need all the way till you die as a musician. What did we do with this one? What was my objective? Given the poem, engine number 9, we will do what? We have a lot of things we do. Changing the tempo, showing tempo changes, not meter changes. We could do that. Engine number 9, go, that never changed the meter. What else? Singing. You're showing matching pitch, which we did at the very beginning of the day. What else did you show? Movement. What the movement showed me, that was the behavior. And the behavior of movement showed me what about my class.
Don't keep a beat.
Having rhythm doesn't mean anything. That you could change the tempo based upon the verbal prompt, a prompt. It's not just rhythm. Rhythm is too general. Rhythm could be just about anything. It could be septuplets. Something specific. Otherwise, it's random and it's just kind of singing along at the campfire. Okay. Erin is going to teach you at home and a piece. Think about, or